Hi there creators! In today's Canva tutorial, I'm showing you how to create a stunning cutout text effect using images, just like this. This is perfect for entrepreneurs, small business owners, and creatives who want to elevate their brand visuals. If you enjoy Canva tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Let's start by opening a new design in Canva. Choose your size depending on your platform, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, your call. For this example, I'm using an A4 landscape. Now, type your word. I'm using Fly for this demo. Choose a thick, bold font, something like League Spartan, or Impact, or Anton. Select the image that you would like to integrate with the text. Click on Edit Image. Choose Background Remover. This is a Canva Pro feature. Update your font color if necessary. Select your graphic and resize and rotate the image so it creatively overlaps or fits into the text. Think about flow. For example, the bird's wingspan or a yoga pose naturally guiding the eye. Click on the graphic, right-click, duplicate, and then make sure that you put this duplication exactly on top of the first image. Right-click again, go to Layers, Show Layers, then move this bottom bird to the bottom of the layers. You could have also gone to right-click, Layer, and then Send to Back. That is the other method. Select the graphic in the front, so this bird, and then you can start dragging the sliders to reveal the parts of the wording that you would like to stand out. So let's start on this side, and I will line it up exactly for the inside of the L. So now it looks like my bird is coming through the L and the Y. But I would like this little part of the tail to still go over the F. So what I'm going to do is to go back to my layers, select my bottom layer, duplicate it again, make sure that it's exactly on top. And here it's on the top as well. And I'm going to drag it from the right into the left, here to the outside edge of the L. And now I've got this effect of the bird flying through the F, the L, and coming out of the Y. Let me quickly show you how I've created this example. Once you're happy, click Share and then download as a PNG for crisp quality on a see-through background. Use this in social media posts, thumbnails, website banners. It's so versatile. That's it. You just created a professional level image text effect in Canva. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more Canva tips on VA Wonder. And if you feel like watching another tutorial, how about this one? How to make interlocking initials in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.